Time to remit sales tax to the state. The Sales Tax Liability Report is your official record of what you've collected and owe. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to Taxes, Sales Tax. Click on Sales Tax Liability Report. Select the filing period that matches your state's requirements, e.g., Q1 2024. The report breaks down taxable sales, non-taxable sales, and the tax collected for each tax agency you've set up. This is the number you pay. My crucial pro tip? Run this report before you finalize any month or quarter. Make it part of your closing routine. Ensure the collected tax on the report matches the totals in your bank deposits. Any discrepancy means a sale was coded incorrectly and needs to be fixed before you file. File your sales tax with accuracy and confidence. How often do you have to file sales tax returns? For more essential compliance guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.